Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ghost Hub. This powerful and versatile tool is designed to elevate your digital experience with advanced features and automation. We will cover the entire process, from finding the necessary files to activating the tool within your chosen application. It is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By the end, you will understand how to successfully integrate Ghost Hub into your workflow, unlocking its full potential for enhanced functionality. The first step to getting Ghost Hub is to find and download the script. You will need to search for a trusted online source that provides the latest version of the Ghost Hub script. Once you have found a reliable link, proceed with downloading the file to your computer or mobile device. Always verify the file's authenticity to ensure it is safe. If the script comes in a compressed archive, remember to extract its contents before moving on to the next stage. With the Ghost Hub script ready, the next step involves using a script executor. Launch your preferred executor application, which acts as a bridge between the script and your target program. Carefully copy the complete Ghost Hub script code. Then, paste this code into the executor's script input field. Finally, attach the executor to the application where you intend to use Ghost Hub, preparing it for activation and feature deployment. Once the script is pasted and the executor is attached, click the Execute button to activate Ghost Hub. A custom graphical user interface, or GUI, will then appear on your screen, providing access to its extensive features. You can explore a wide array of options, often including more than 300 distinct functionalities. Remember to use such tools responsibly and with caution, as third-party modifications can sometimes carry inherent risks to your account or system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.